Welcome. This video should help you avoid common errors made on discussion assignments. The most common error is not following directions. Make sure to look for question prompts and other directions on the discussion description. When you select the title link, the same description will appear. Discussions typically require textbook reading, reviewing websites, and watching videos to answer the prompts. There are reminders to copy and paste prompts in your answers and to use college-level writing standards. Remember, discussions are formal writing assignments. Selecting the discussion title brings you to the description and link to the directions at the top. Start a new thread to write your post. Below these directions, you will see a listing of posts, yours and your classmates. All discussions in this course require that you post, answering the prompts, and reply to 2 classmate posts. The most common error is not replying or not replying to 2 classmates. Notice the replies are indented. That means they used the reply feature, not starting a new thread. You will not see classmate posts until you make your original post. If this is blank, you haven't posted. Use a meaningful label when you create a post or reply to help the reader identify the original author. In these examples, a good label includes the author's name, whether that is you or whom you're replying to, and their topic label. You will want to watch discussion settings and standards if you are not sure how to reply properly, rather than starting a new thread. A heading will appear when you reply. This heading will only appear if you have it set. This is required. You will lose points without that heading information. Watch discussion settings and standards for a demonstration. If you used a detailed subject label, that information appears, making it easy to go back if necessary to find those threads. Let's look at some examples. You may want to pause on some to read the detail. We recommend including prompts with your responses on your original post. You can make your responses stand out by making them another readable color or bold. Including prompts provides the reader with context and helps understanding. Without prompts, responses can be confusing. There is no reference point. If you choose not to include the prompts, include some detail from the question to provide that context. In this example, what are you defining and identifying that you are listing advantages for? Discussions are formal writing assignments and should be proofed for standards. Prompts typically require a short paragraph of full sentences to adequately respond to the question with detail and thought. Quality should mirror an essay, not a text or a social media post. Points are lost for unprofessional writing. Students often procrastinate only to find that a video or link is not working, either an issue on their end or an error in the course. Previewing the assignment earlier in the week allows you to check that all of the features work properly for you to complete all of the work. If not, contact the help desk and your instructor about the issue. Extensions or resubmissions are not provided unless it was a class error, not a user error. Skipping or skimming directions leads to missing valuable information to complete the assignment correctly. Read directions for detail and revisit them if you're confused. If you still don't understand, contact your instructor. If not available, contact the Academic Support Center to try to help clarify. Required resources are not optional. They are required. Students often try to answer the question from their own knowledge or understanding, which misses the purpose of the prompt. The resources provide specific details about a topic and require that you apply that information to a real-life scenario or examples. You are typically asked to make references from those resources, demonstrating that you did, in fact, review them. Every discussion asks for either development of a question or a scenario to which other students will respond. This is required for you to demonstrate your critical thinking and application and to stimulate interaction among classmates. This prompt is not optional. Even if your background and experience doesn't bring an immediate or personal situation to mind, your reading and resources give you enough foundation of the concept for you to create an example. Become familiar with discussion directions and avoid these common errors to submit your best possible work. As always, contact your instructor if you need any help. Thanks for watching.